Have you ever wondered why some people in their 70s are climbing mountains and running marathons, while others, half their age, can barely get out of bed without pain? The difference isn't luck or genetics alone. It's happening at the cellular level. What if I told you that by age 60, you've lost up to 80% of your body's natural regenerative capacity? This invisible decline is the root cause behind virtually every health challenge we face as we age. But here's the breakthrough. Scientists have discovered a way to reactivate your body's dormant healing system without drugs, injections, or invasive procedures. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how stem cell technology is transforming health for people over 50 by addressing the root cause of aging: cellular malfunction. You'll discover how this technology has helped people regrow hair, heal chronic wounds, and even improve spinal disc health. You'll learn about the science behind activating your body's own stem cells, see real transformations from people just like you, and understand exactly how you can implement this approach starting today. This isn't about managing symptoms. It's about restoring your body's natural ability to heal itself from the inside out. Let's start with a fundamental truth. There is only one disease: cellular malfunction. Every health challenge you face stems from cells that aren't functioning optimally. By age 35, we've already lost 50% of our stem cell activity. By 65, it's almost completely gone. This explains why injuries that healed in days when you were 20 now take months, why your energy levels aren't what they used to be, why brain fog becomes your new normal, and why chronic inflammation becomes your constant companion. The medical system treats these as separate issues requiring separate medications. But they're all symptoms of the same underlying problem. Your cells have lost their ability to regenerate and repair. Here's what I want you to consider. What if you could restore your cellular function to levels you haven't experienced in decades? To understand the breakthrough, we need to understand what stem cells actually do. Unlike specialized cells that have specific jobs, stem cells are your body's master cells. They can transform into whatever type of cell your body needs. When you're young, your stem cells rapidly respond to any damage, replacing worn-out cells and repairing tissues. This is why children heal so quickly. The key to this process is a peptide called GHK-CU, or copper peptide. This remarkable molecule controls over 4,000 genes in your body, resets your DNA to a healthier state, reduces inflammation throughout your body, improves blood flow to damaged tissues, and most importantly, activates your dormant stem cells. Research shows that at age 20, your GHK-CU levels are around 200 nanograms per milliliter. By age 60, they've dropped to just 80. This dramatic decline is directly responsible for the slower healing, increased pain, and diminished energy you experience as you age. Now for the breakthrough that's changing everything: stem cell technology that activates your body's own regenerative system. Unlike expensive stem cell injections that cost thousands of dollars per treatment, this approach uses a completely different mechanism. It works through phototherapy, the science of using specific wavelengths of light to trigger biological responses in your body. Phototherapy has ancient roots in healing practices and was once a mainstream treatment for conditions such as tuberculosis and rickets. Though its prominence declined with the rise of pharmaceuticals, it remains vital for specific ailments. The most remarkable part? There are no chemicals, drugs, or foreign substances entering your body. You're simply activating your own natural healing systems. The results people are experiencing are nothing short of remarkable. Let me share some real transformations. A man in his 50s had been experiencing hair thinning for years. After just 6 weeks of using stem cell technology, the difference was dramatic, with visible regrowth and thickness returning. A 55-year-old woman had struggled with skin elasticity and tone. Within weeks, her skin showed visible improvements in firmness and brightness, all from activating her body's natural regenerative processes. Perhaps most impressive was a man in his mid-50s who had an open wound on his back that wouldn't heal despite years of conventional treatments. Within just 4 weeks of using stem cell technology, the wound completely closed and healed. A patient with multiple disc bulges shown on MRI scans used stem cell technology for 18 months. Follow-up imaging showed remarkable improvement in disc health, something conventional medicine would consider nearly impossible without surgery. These aren't isolated cases. Thousands of people are experiencing similar transformations by activating their body's own stem cells. When your stem cells are activated, they don't just target one area, they support whole body regeneration. Here's what happens. For joint pain, your activated stem cells help regenerate cartilage and reduce inflammation in your joints, supporting mobility and comfort. For brain function, clinical studies show that within just 3 to 6 weeks, brain scans reveal dramatic improvements in brain coherence and function, supporting memory, focus, and mental clarity. For energy levels, by improving cellular metabolism and mitochondrial function, stem cell activation helps restore the energy production that naturally declines with age. For sleep quality, users consistently report improved sleep quality within days of starting stem cell technology, likely due to the balancing effect on neurotransmitters and stress hormones. For skin health, your skin is constantly regenerating, and activated stem cells accelerate this process, supporting a more youthful appearance from the inside out. The skin's natural renewal cycle becomes more efficient, revealing healthier, more radiant skin. The beauty of this approach is that it's comprehensive, addressing multiple systems simultaneously because it works at the fundamental cellular level. This isn't just anecdotal evidence. The science behind stem cell activation is robust, with over 500 published studies on GHK copper peptides and their effects on human health. Clinical studies show elevated GHK copper levels within 24 hours of using stem cell technology. Brain mapping studies demonstrate improved cognitive function in 100% of participants. Research shows improved metabolism, blood pressure, and heart rate variability within just 7 days. One particularly fascinating study measured the brainwaves of people aged 50 to 77 before using stem cell technology, then again after 3 weeks and 6 weeks of use. The results were remarkable. Every single participant showed dramatic improvements in brain coherence, regardless of their starting point. This explains why so many users report improved mental clarity, focus, and memory. What makes this approach so revolutionary is that it doesn't force anything on your body. It simply provides the signal that activates your own natural healing intelligence. Implementing stem cell technology into your daily routine couldn't be simpler. Apply a stem cell activation patch to one of 2 locations, either at the base of your neck or below your navel. Wear the patch for 12 hours during the day. Remove it before bed. Apply a fresh patch the next morning. That's it. No complicated protocols, no expensive treatments, no side effects. For best results, consistency is key. Most people notice initial improvements within the first week, often better sleep and increased energy. By week 4 to 6, more significant regenerative effects become apparent as cellular health continues to improve. Some important points to remember. Stay well hydrated while using stem cell technology, as water is essential for all cellular processes. Results will vary from person to person, depending on your unique physiology and health challenges. Some people experience a temporary increase in discomfort in problem areas as healing begins. This is actually a positive sign that your body is addressing long-ignored issues. And the longer you use it, the more comprehensive the benefits become. Imagine waking up with the energy you had decades ago. Imagine moving without pain, thinking with clarity, and experiencing the vitality you deserve. This isn't about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. Stem cell technology represents a fundamental shift in how we approach health and aging. Instead of masking symptoms, we're addressing the root cause, cellular regeneration. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself when given the right tools. Stem cell technology is that tool, the missing piece that activates your body's own regenerative intelligence. Unlike many conventional approaches that treat symptoms while allowing the underlying cellular dysfunction to worsen, this technology addresses the root cause. And because it works with your body's natural processes rather than overriding them, it often provides lasting results without the side effects associated with pharmaceutical interventions. The applications for this technology continue to expand as research advances. Beyond the benefits already mentioned, emerging studies suggest potential applications for immune function, cardiovascular health, metabolic conditions, and even neurological disorders. The universal nature of cellular function means that improvements at this fundamental level can benefit virtually every system in your body. This breakthrough represents a paradigm shift in our understanding of aging and regeneration. Rather than accepting decline as inevitable, we now know that much of what we associate with aging is actually the result of decreased cellular signaling, a process that can be reactivated and restored. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more breakthrough health information. In our next video, we'll be exploring how stem cell technology specifically targets inflammation, the hidden driver behind almost every age-related condition.